Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you guys trying to find where fuses, relays for the alarm module, alarm siren are located on Volkswagen Tiguan first generation. Guys, if you have problems with the alarm system, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can guys see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. The alarm module, guys, the alarm siren, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, guys. Actually, we'll be working in two different fuse boxes. We'll be checking one different relay as well, and you wonder which one it is. Let me show you. First, we're going to come, okay, to a hidden fuse box. Okay, we'll be working multiple ones, as I said, but excuse me, the first one come on the left side of the steering wheel. Here on the bottom side, we have a hidden fuse box. Some relays, you have many more hidden relays, we'll talk about that in a second, but if you want to see how to get to all the hidden relays, where they're located, hidden fuses, how to remove that panel, we have a video that's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So guys, here now we need to check one fuse. Here we need to go to a different fuse box. After that, where is the fuse? We'll be working, guys, in this fuse panel right here with the mini fuses. The numbers will be printed right under the fuse, and the fuse that we need to check, guys, is fuse number 21. Let's go ahead and focus that one here. Now we need to open the hood. When we open the hood, guys, there might be another one. If you have a 2012 to 2017, you have that fuse box layout. Here most likely you won't have a fuse, but if you have a 2008 to 2011 year model, the fuse box will differ and it will look like this one here. Specifically here you may need to check, guys, fuse number 17. We're talking about this fuse right here. Now about the relays, guys, okay, here will be, okay, a few different scenarios that you will, guys, need to check specifically, but you may need to check this relay number 5. Actually, that relay is hidden behind the dash, behind the BCM module. We have a video on the channel how to get to that relay, and you may need to check, okay, those are the relays that we just saw above the fuse box right now. And here, guys, relay 5 will be this one on the side. You may have there as well, but yeah, guys, mostly check these fuses that fuse that we checked, 17 on the inside, it's quite important fuse. Well, excuse me, fuse number 21 and 17 for the older models. Hopefully the video, guys, okay, will be helpful and help you fix that problem. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.